No, you didn't.
Samantha.
Okay, let's go. Don't rub your eyes, Miss. Your hands are dirty. Yeah, so she took 2 naps today. You know how I go in there at 6 in the morning to wake him up?
Mm-hmm.
You know, turn on the lights, they're like both out. They don't want to get up. I was like, Alex, wake up. And he goes, you know, usually he's like always up, right?
Yeah.
Like last minute, he's like, no, I want to sleep some more. I want to sleep some more.
Cheese. Ah. Cheese. I love you. Cheese. I know you can have it. You can have it. Uh-oh. I help. Yeah? Can you get that one? Alright, I'll take it. Yeah? You okay? Let's go. Samantha, let's go.